Question number 106. Which of the following are the basis of classification of fungi into various classes? You know that fungi has been further divided into 4 classes: phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and the deuteromycetes, and the division of fungi into various classes is on the basis of: first, mode of spore formation; second, morphology of mycelium; third, mode of nutrition; fourth, both 1 and 2. So the basis of classification of fungi into various classes is, yes, mode of spore formation, morphology of mycelium, but not the mode of nutrition, as all the fungi are saprophytic in nature. AIATS Whitaker made the new kingdom fungi because they have different mode of nutrition, that is saprophytic. So all the fungi have the same mode of nutrition, that is saprophytic mode of nutrition. So the correct option is the fourth one, that is both 1 and 2. So correct option is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 107. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. Site of karyogamy and meiosis is ascus in members of class ascomycetes. Statement B. Ascospores are haploid sexual spores. First option, only A is incorrect. Second, only B is incorrect. Third, both A and B are incorrect. Fourth, both A and B are correct. Statement A. Site of karyogamy and meiosis is ascus in members of class ascomycetes. It is the correct statement. In case of ascomycetes or the sac fungi, karyogamy and meiosis occurs in ascus. Ascus is a sac-like structure. So this is the correct one. Statement B. Ascospores are haploid sexual spores. Yes, ascospores are haploid sexual spores in ascomycetes. In members of ascomycetes, ascospores are the sexual spores which are haploid and produced inside the ascus. They are endogenously produced spores. So this statement is also correct. So both statements A and B are correct, and the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 108. Select the features true for mycoplasma. A. Smallest living cell. B. Has double-stranded linear DNA. C. Are pleomorphic and sensitive to penicillin. D. Cause diseases in plants only. First option A and B. Second option B and C. Third C and D. Fourth A and D. You have to tell that which of the following statements are true for mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is a prokaryote and it is the smallest living cell. So A statement is correct. So option 3 and option 2 are ruled out. B. Has double-stranded linear DNA. Mycoplasma are the only monerans where double-stranded linear DNA is seen. Otherwise, in kingdom Monera, the DNA is double-stranded circular, not the linear. Linear DNA is seen in mycoplasma. So this is correct for mycoplasma. C. Are pleomorphic and sensitive to penicillin? No. As they lack cell wall, they are insensitive to penicillin. Mycoplasma do not have cell wall. They are insensitive to penicillin as penicillin works on cell wall only. So this statement is incorrect. D. Cause diseases in plants only? No. They can cause diseases in plants as well as in animals. So this statement is again wrong. So the correct ones are A and B. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 109. Cyanobacteria are characterized by: first, presence of sexual reproduction; second, presence of pigments chlorophyll A and B; third, absence of flagella; fourth, presence of anoxygenic photosynthesis. Cyanobacteria are blue-green algae, also called as BGA, and they are characterized by: first, presence of sexual reproduction? No. In case of cyanobacteria, there is absence of sexual reproduction as well as motile stages. So this option is ruled out. Presence of pigments chlorophyll A and B. They have chlorophyll A, but they do not have chlorophyll B. Hence, this option is also ruled out. Third, absence of flagella. Yes, motile stages are absent in cyanobacteria, so flagella are also absent. So, this is the correct one. Fourth, presence of anoxygenic photosynthesis. No. Cyanobacteria carry out oxygenic photosynthesis. They evolve oxygen during the photosynthesis. So this statement is incorrect. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 110. A student during his laboratory work observed an organism under the microscope with the following features. A. Single-celled. B. Presence of cilia. C. Presence of gullet. D. 2 different sized nuclei. Identify the organism with the help of above features. First option, antamoeba. Second, amoeba. Third, paramecium. Fourth, trypanosoma. See, with the help of these features, you have to identify the organisms out of the following options. Here, first is single-celled. Antamoeba, paramecium, amoeba and trypanosoma all are single-celled. B. Presence of cilia. Antamoeba and amoeba, they are amoeboid protozoans and they have pseudopodia, not the cilia. So these two options are ruled out. Fourth option, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is a flagellated protozoan. It has flagella for locomotion. So this option is also ruled out. So the left out option is paramecium, which is the correct option. It has gullet, which is the definite region for the ingestion. So this is correct. 2 different sized nuclei. Paramecium has 2 different sized nuclei called macronucleus and the micronucleus. Macronucleus controls the vegetative function of the cell. Micronucleus controls the reproductive functions of the cell. So yes, paramecium has 2 different sized nuclei. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question.